Hi, my name is Sean from Floor Concepts, and if you're thinking about replacing your floors, the number one question you might have is how much is this going to cost? Pricing is really broken down into two main factors. One is the product, and the second is the installation. You can have a high quality or a low quality product. Installation can get complex or it can be simple depending on a lot of different factors in your house. So you can have subfloor issues, we have leveling issues. So if we have to level the floor out, rotted subfloor, we've seen that from time to time. That can also cause the price to change. So there's a lot of different factors that we look at when we give you a quote to make sure that we're giving you a floor that's going to last you a long time. When we think about products, you have what we call builder grade products all the way up to luxury products. With builder grade products, you're looking at very thin LVPs, very thin hardwoods, something that really isn't intended to last more than 5 or 7 years, and sometimes even shorter depending on how much traffic and how you are living in your home. Then you have on the luxury side, these are really high quality materials. You can have very exotic species of woods. You can have wider widths. Some of the engineered wide widths are very popular right now, and those can be at a premium price. Same thing on the carpet. If you can have a high quality nylon carpet that has a really high twist, you're gonna pay more for that type of carpet than you would a builder grade that's really just meant to cover the floor until a house gets sold or a rental or something along those lines. Ceramic tile has probably one of the biggest ranges in price. You have a lot of the basic travertine tiles like porcelain lookalikes, right? So your porcelain is going to have a travertine look, or a Carrara marble look because they're pretty common. Everybody uses them. The other thing you run into with tile, some of it is just made in mass quantities because people buy roughly the same color over and over again. However, once you get into more of the unique looks, feels, the higher quality porcelain, ceramic, you're getting into stone, those can really drive the price up. I've seen tile be as high as $100 a square foot, whereas you have some of the builder grade stuff coming in at $2 or $3 a square foot. So it really depends on the look and the feel that you're going for. How fragile the tile is does impact that as well. Some tiles, you can notice it immediately as soon as you drop something on the floor, that's going to shatter or break, whereas other ones will impact resistant. Because they're more natural and not as hard, as others. Floor Concepts is a little different where we don't focus so much on builder grade products, though we do sell them because there is a need for that in the market. What we try to focus on are more first quality, the mid-range to luxury products. We want to make sure that we give you something that's going to last, that we can stand behind, and that we know that will perform for you in the long term. I think there's a lot of hidden costs when it comes to installation. So just be careful when you're buying hardwood from a big box store. The quality is going to be an issue. The other thing is on the installation side, a lot of companies will build in certain things that they know you're going to need, but will charge you for them on the day of installation. So just be careful when you're looking at these quotes that it includes everything. And when you're making such a large purchase as flooring, you want to make sure that you have everything included. There are sometimes surprises that come about that we don't see just because, until you demo out the floor, we don't really see the full picture of everything that's happening. But we're going to be here for you and help you understand if there's an added expense, why that is, and why we feel like we need that. And we may even say from the beginning, this could be something to look out for. Whereas a lot of others, they will not give you that warning. If you're looking to get a flooring project done in your home or business, we'd love to give you some options, as well as give you a clear, detailed estimate for your specific situation and home. You can reach out to our team or drop into our showroom. We'd love to help you make the right investment for your space. Here at Floor Concepts, we want you to be proud of your floors. See you later, everybody.